Hey everyone, I've got something incredible to share with you today that could completely change the way you make money online. Over the past few weeks, I've been testing this tool called Spindle, and honestly, I've been blown away. Imagine taking a brand new Instagram account with 0 followers and in just a few days growing it to over 1,000 followers while generating hundreds of dollars in leads that can turn into real sales. That's exactly what happened when I tried it. We were able to turn a completely fresh Instagram profile into $5,000 in just 7 days. And here's the best part, it's almost completely hands-off. Now, I know what you're thinking. How is that even possible? The answer is AI. Spindle uses the latest artificial intelligence technology to handle the work that normally takes hours, creating posts, attracting followers, and even generating leads that can turn into real sales. You don't have to be a marketing expert. You don't need to know how to create videos, and you don't need to spend weeks figuring out Instagram growth strategies. You just connect your account, enter a few simple details, click Activate, and Spindle does the rest. What really makes this tool stand out is how fast it works. In under a minute, Spindle starts driving traffic, followers, and leads to your account, all completely legally. No hacks, no bots that risk your account, just smart AI doing the work for you. I was honestly surprised by how smooth it was. Even accounts that are completely new, with 0 followers, can start seeing real results almost immediately. Of course, I know one of the first questions on your mind is probably, how much does this cost? And here's the thing, when you think about the amount of work and time this saves, the value is incredible. Right now, during their special launch, you can get access to Spindle for a small, one-time investment. You won't have to worry about monthly subscriptions, and on top of that, you get an exclusive bonus bundle that's never been offered before. These bonuses alone could completely accelerate your results, and they're included free when you sign up. And if you're wondering about risk, Spindle has you covered. They offer a 365-day money-back guarantee, plus a $250 guarantee if you don't see results. So not only are you covered if it doesn't work for you, but you could actually get paid $250 just for trying it. That's how confident they are that this system delivers. Honestly, this feels like the future of online income. Social media is already huge, and combining it with AI is a total game changer. If you've been thinking about starting online or just want a smarter, faster way to grow on Instagram, Spindle makes it almost effortless. I've personally seen how quickly it works, and the results speak for themselves. So, if you're ready to see what Spindle can do for you, all you need to do is click the link below to get started. Set up your account, let the AI do the heavy lifting, and start seeing results faster than you ever thought possible. It's really that simple, and I can't wait to hear about your success stories. All right, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.